Hi dear students, this is the third video about the arithmetic sequences, and it's going to be n term of an arithmetic sequence. So we are going to find the formula of the arithmetic sequence. Like in the previous video, if you remember, I showed like 3n plus 5. This was the general term, or this is the n term of the sequence, and when you replace the n by substitute by the position numbers here 1, 2, 3, you were finding the terms of the sequence. And here we are going to try to understand what is the formula of this sequence. So if I write the position numbers here 3, 10, 17, 24 and 31, as you see here, the common difference between them, it's equal to plus 7. So our formula general term, it's going to be 7 times n plus n minus a something it's going to be, and I'm going to try to find that a value now. As you see, if it is plus 7, it's going to be the formula, it's going to be with 7 times n. This is the important part. Okay, here in the second table you are going to see that the difference between the 7 times table, because you are going to write like this. To find the value of a, first you are going to write 7 times 1, 7 times 2, and 7 times 3. I'm writing here 7 times 1, again 7 times 2, and 7 times 3, which is equal to 7. 7 times 1, 7 times 2 is equal to 14, but 7 times 3 is equal to 21. And these are not the terms of the sequence. What are the terms of the sequence? 3, 10, 17. And as you see, from 7 to 3, you are decreasing 4. From 14 to 10, again, you are decreasing 4. And from 21 to 17, again, you are decreasing 4. So you are going to multiply by 7, the n. Then you are going to decrease by 4. So it's the way to find this table is the way to find the formula. So you are going to multiply the n by 7, then you are going to subtract 4 to find the values of the general term of the sequence. So our formula is 7 times n minus 4 is going to be. And if you are looking for the fifth term, let's say fifth term, it's going to be equal to n is equal to 5, it means, which is equal to 7 times 5 minus 4, that's equal to 35 minus 4, which is equal to 31, as you see here. Also, it is asking the 40th term. So 40th term is n is equal to 40, which means 7 times 40 minus 4, that's 280 minus 4, 7 times 40, it's 280 minus 4, that's going to be equal to 276 is the answer of the question going to be. Okay, let's continue with other type of exercises. Actually, it is similar exercise, only the numbers are different. 37 to 33, we are going to decrease by 4, which is equal to minus 4. Let me rewrite here 37, 33, 29, 25, and 21. So the difference between them is minus 4. Here it's going to be minus 4, and it's going to be equal to minus 4, and here also minus 4. So common difference, if it's equal to minus 4, I'm going to do for the operation 4 times n. So I'm going to find the plus minus a value here. Firstly, I'm going to make minus 4 times table, which is equal to minus 4 times 1, which is equal to minus 4, and minus 4 times 2 is equal to minus 8, minus 4 times 3 it's equal to minus 12, minus 4 times 4 is equal to minus 16, then minus 4 times 5 it's going to be equal to minus 20. And as you see here, the terms are 37, then 33, then 29, then here it's going to be 25, and this one is going to be equal to 21. As you see, the common difference between them from minus 4 to 31, you should go from minus 4 to 31, you should go 41 units. So you are going to add plus 41 to all of them to evaluate from minus 8 to plus 41. You are going to make 33. So this is going to be the 4 times table. So you are going to multiply the numbers by minus 4, then times minus 4, then plus 41 you are going to add. So your formula is minus 4 times n plus 41, or 41 minus 4n. It's going to be, okay, the 50th term of this sequence is going to be equal to 50 terms means n is equal to 50. So 41 minus 4 times 50 is going to be equal to 41 minus 200. It's going to be, which is equal to minus 159 is going to be. Let's solve some exercise from this page here. These are increasing arithmetic sequence, so the common difference between them always plus. So from C1, if I start, I'm going to solve the C1. 2 times 2, 9, 16, and 23 it's going to be. Then I'm sorry, 23 I said, I wrote 21, 23. So the common difference between them, it's going to be equal to 4 plus 7. I'm sorry, the common difference between them 7, and here as you see plus 7. So when I use one of the table like this here, firstly, if the common difference is 7, so I'm going to make 7 times table firstly. 7 times table, which is equal to 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 2, which is equal to 14, 7 times 3, it's equal to 21, 7 times 4 is equal to 28, 7 times 5, it's going to be equal to, here, I think this is enough, there's no need to find the 5th one, okay, and the terms are 2, 9, 16, and 23. So it's obvious that from 7, if you subtract 5, you will get 2. So you are going to multiply by 7 times 7, and you are going to evaluate this one, and you are going to subtract 5 to evaluate the terms of the sequence. So the formula is 7 times n minus 5 going to be. Okay, let's do the one more question here for a different exercise. Let's choose for D. The terms are 9, 14, 19, and 24. So the common difference between them from 9 to 14, the common difference is 5. So I'm going to make 5 times table here. 5 times table I'm going to make. So 5 times 1 is equal to 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So the first term is 5. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 5 times 5, it's going to be equal to 25, but actually we don't need this one because there are 4 terms only. So this is the first row that I wrote here, 5, 10, 15. This is the times 5 table. And from 5 to 9, what I should add or subtract to get 9, and it's obviously plus 4 you should add, and the answer is going to be the question 5 times n plus 4 it's going to be. Sorry, I forgot to find the 40th term for both question, 50th term for both question. 50th term, it's going to be equal to n is equal to 50, so it's equal to 7 times 50 minus 5, which is equal to 350 minus 5, that's equal to 5. which is equal to that 345. It's going to be, for the second question, 50th term, it's going to be equal to n is equal to 50, which means 5 times 5 plus 4, 50 plus 4, which is equal to 200 plus 4. That's going to be equal to 204. And let's solve one more question. Here I'm going to choose the B1 for the solution from this page, and let's finish the video. Okay, the terms are 30, 27, and 24, and 21. It's going to be, the fifth term is not necessary. So from 30 to 27, it's going to be equal to minus 3. From 27 to 24, it's going to be again minus 3. 24 to 21, again minus 3 it's going to be. So I'm going to make minus 3 times table. Here it means that I'm going to multiply by minus 3. So I'm going to add the value here. Minus 3 times 1, position numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'm going to multiply each of them by by minus 3. Minus 3 times 1 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 times 2 is equal to minus 6. Minus 3 times 3 is equal to minus 9. Minus 3 times 4 is going to be equal to minus 12. And from minus 3 to 30, we have 33. We should add 33 to get 30. So from minus 6, if you think, plus 33, if you add, you are going to evaluate 27. From to minus 9, if you add 33, you are going to find 24. So the formula, it's going to be minus 3n plus 33, or 33 minus 3n is going to be. Okay, with respect to that one, if you are going to find the 30th term is going to be n is equal to 30, which means 33 minus 3 times 30, that's equal to 33 minus 90, that's going to be equal to minus 57. Okay, this is the end of the solution.